assault support platform. So we carry, we call it beans, band-aids, and bullets, and then Marines from ship to shore, shore to shore, doing assault support. Based at a Marine Corps Air Station New River, which is in Jacksonville, North Carolina. So we taking students away from the normal routine of flying and at home base, and we take them somewhere else to get a different experience. So coming up here allows them to see the aircraft in a new environment, landing to uneven terrain, even runways here with terrain around it is not something that there is in eastern North Carolina.
Yeager Airport is bringing active duty and reserve forces into the area to train in our surface coal mine sites that we've worked out lease agreements with. What it does is it offers range facilities. They can come and do unobstructed landings in a dirt and rock environment. They can land on pinnacle LZs on the top of a mountaintop. What we also offer is maneuver space where they can bring their ground troops and land. We also offer some buildings that they can train their ground troops in and then fly in and out of. It helps the coal companies reutilize their land for military training. What we offer unique at Yeager is the ability to hot refuel any military aircraft. That's something that's quite a rarity on any of the airports. Hot refueling is actually plugging in a fueling hose to a spinning aircraft.
The benefit to flying out of Jacksonville, North Carolina is because we're at sea level. And here you guys provide us with beautiful mountainous terrain that we can calculate better elevations, better fuel loads, more complex training that we don't get down there. Those type of landings definitely have a level of stress that is part of the job. The big thing is you take your time and you really dig down on the fundamentals of your training.
The airport benefits in the fuel sales, and the community benefits by hotels and per diem spent by the troops when they come in to visit. What we're painting today is simulated ship markings, otherwise known colloquially as crow's feet in the Navy and the Marine Corps. It's the ship landing areas on top of a helicopter landing ship or a aircraft carrier for the helicopters to land on. Pilots come in and these spots will guide them in to land on board a ship. So think of an environment where the ship is moving, the aircraft's moving, we have wave action, and this standard marking gives them a lineup line for a visual approach to landing. To the best of my knowledge, we're the only civilian airport with these crow's feet painted on them, giving them the ability to train outside of their local area.